You want to create a self-contained video file that matches the frame rate, frame size, and codec of your sequence settings. Which option in the export settings dialog box should you choose? Option A. Match sequence settings. Option B. QuickTime. Option C. Use maximum render quality. Option D. Use previews. The correct answer is option A. Which is the best format to choose in the export settings dialog box to create a video on Apple iPod and GPP cell phones? AFLV, F4V. Option B. Option H. 264. Option A. QuickTime. Option B. MPEG-2. The correct answer is option B. Which format setting in the export settings dialog box would be most appropriate for use when you want to display video on a cell phone with the Android OS? Option A. MP3. Option B. QuickTime. Option C. Microsoft AVI. Option D. Option H. 264. The correct answer is option D. Which bitrate encoding method produces the highest image quality with the smallest file size? Option A. CBR. Option B. VBR, 1 pass. Option C. VBR, 2 pass. Option D. Use maximum render quality. The correct answer is option C.